Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new update here on Fantom. Soon to be Sonic. Wanted to do a full update here on the technicals. I have not seen. I followed the fundamentals and just in general the updates on Sonic quite a bit. If you don't know, Sonic is going to be the new name of Fantom, and Fantom is going to be converted into Sonic. So FTM will be S, very simply. And this is launching somewhere in December, I believe. But the mainnet has not been released to public yet. I do think I saw a date somewhere for when they'll actually launch. But I forgot it. so I'm sorry for that. But no, this is coming soon, all right? And I think the launch of Sonic is extremely bullish. Maybe we will not see bullish momentum because of it, like at the very start. But I do think in 2025 we'll see a lot of bullish momentum because of it. And so far, it has actually caused Fantom to be one of the strongest altcoins, all right? Not so much this morning. Well, earlier this morning it was relatively strong as well. But no, in general, I mean, if you take a look at Fantom on the higher time frames here, after breaking this range at the beginning, or no, it was actually the end of November here, after breaking that range and then also subsequently getting some other big bullish breakthroughs, we have remained on the higher time frames ridiculously bullish, right? And we still are. Now we'll zoom in a little bit as well technically, because on the lower time frames I actually do think that we have gotten into a bit of a consolidation range, okay. But I mean, if you take a look at this week, with Monday and Tuesday we had a lot of bearish pressure. Fantom was able to hold the 382 fib right here at 1.1, all right, which was basically the first real support level it encountered. And I can tell you that not a lot of altcoins were able to actually hold at the first serious support level they encountered. Most of them got major bearish breakouts, right? So technically on the higher time frames here, and also fundamentally, I still think it's very wise to be bullish on Fantom. I could not show you just now, but you can also see that yesterday, for example, but also after the bearish pressure. So when Wednesday, we actually got some new strength back. Fantom was also one of the strongest performers. The thing is that I would say Fantom right now on the lower time frames here, and you can also, like, one of the best ways to see that is actually to look at the trend band, and you can see that the trend band is still respected here and there, but it's no longer as respected as it was, for example, the beginning of December. So basically, we have lost the uptrend on the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame is actually, some of you would even already say that that's higher time frames. And I kind of agree with the fact that we are, like, there's also massive resistance level here at 1.4, which we already talked about in the last video as well. So what we have now is we have a very strong resistance level that we're going to need some strength to push through that. And then there doesn't really seem to be that strength right now for Fantom on the lower time frames. So short term, this is kind of the consolidation between 1.4 ultimately and 1.2, even though that 1.2 support level is still supported by 1.1. So basically, we have a little bit more strength on the support side than the resistance side. But what we're practically waiting for is a breakout. All right, the only question that matters for Fantom right now, technically at least, is which of these levels is going to break first. And that's always a difficult question, because as a trader, the main thing I want to do is just wait for the actual breakout. And then if we have the breakout, whether that's bullish or bearish, then we can kind of look, all right, well, does this look like a real breakout? Can we actually find some acceptance above or below these levels? And then you can trade based on that. But most of you do not like that. I've learned over the years. So if I would have to give you my thoughts on what breakout is more likely, given the volume that we're seeing right now, given the technical strength we've seen over the last couple of days, and given the fundamentals of Fantom or Sonic, I have to tell you that I think it's most likely we're going to get the bullish breakout. All right, so you know, short term, we might consolidate for a bit longer, and it's weekend, so obviously it's going to be a bit spiky. But I do think it's most likely that we'll break above 1.4 at some point of time soon, and that we can actually move into the next resistance level, which would probably be this minor level at 1.6, and after that 1.8. 1.8 is the real level we want to get to. So those are my thoughts. This is what I would say is most likely for now. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. I will keep you updated on this as well if you're interested in that. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.